Okay, so this project is for the 3D sketch, and this concentrates on improving the way we add dimensions to 3D objects and objects in planes to make things much more consistent with the 2D environment. Specific things we've done is for entities that lie on a plane, we can now dimension to external objects. For entities which lie in 3D space, we can now add angular dimensions. We can also add linear dimensions along a specific axis and along the object itself. So let me go into the 3D sketcher itself and show you some of these new dimension functions. Okay, so let me just rotate the display around a bit so you can see that this line actually lies in 3D. And the first thing we can do is go in with Smart Dimension, and I can show you I can now add an angular dimension to that object. The other thing, as I said, is for linear dimensions along the object. So you see currently I've added a dimension which is along the line. I can cycle through the different possible tabs. So I'm creating the dimension along the x-axis, hit the tab key again, and now I'm creating the dimension along the y-axis, and this one's along the z-axis, and then back to the straightforward linear dimension. Okay, now for objects which lie on a plane, one of the things that most frequently is required by the user is to dimension to external objects. So let me now just change to a top view so I'm looking directly down on this thing. So with the Smart Dimension command, I can dimension from a line to a vertex. And if I just zoom out, we can see how that's created as a horizontal dimension. And of course, we can do this kind of thing as well. In addition, we obviously have the horizontal dimension and vertical dimension commands which can be applied directly. Whoops. So right now this command requires a line in the 3D sketcher and a vertex in the model. And there we go, so that's it working with a vertical dimension. Okay, so that's the new functionality that's been added for dimensions in the 3D sketch.